Hello students, now today we will start our third lesson, that is operations on big numbers. Okay, we are knowing how to do addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. In this lesson, same thing we are going to do. We are going to learn addition, subtraction, multiplication, same things. But in this lesson, we are doing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of big numbers. Means numbers which are having more than 6 digits. Okay. Then how to add those numbers or how to subtract those numbers which are big numbers, that I will show you. Here one example is given. See here. This number we have to add. Now how to read this number? Can anyone read this number? See here, 4 crore 23 lakh 45,678, and this how to read? 3 crore 18 lakh 64,923. These are big numbers. See how many digits it have? These 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct? So how to add? I will arrange these numbers in columns. Okay, and it will be easy for me to add. You can directly add also, no problem, but I will show you how to arrange the numbers in columns and how to add them. Now how many digit number is this? It is 8 digits. So 8 columns I will make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. Okay. Now see, this is ones, place, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now write the number 4 crore 23 lakh 45,678 plus 3 crore 18 lakh 64,923. See, I have arranged the numbers in columns, and now we will do addition of these numbers. Okay? Always we start addition or subtraction or multiplication from the right side. Okay? From ones place we start. So here 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. 1, carry 1. 2 plus 7, 9. Plus 1, 10. 0, carry 1. 9 plus 6, 15. Plus 1, 16. 6, carry 1. 4 plus 5, 9. Plus 1, 10. 0, carry 1. 6 plus 4, 10. Plus 1, 11. 1, carry 1. 8 plus 3, 11. Plus 1, 12, carry 1, and 1 plus 2, 3, plus 1, 4, and 4 plus 3, 7. In this way, we can add these big numbers by drawing columns. Alright? Now see, next example is of subtraction. See here, again how to read this number. This is, how many digit numbers? It is 9 digit number or 8 digit number. Just see here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 digit number. Now how to subtract? Again I will draw the columns. Now we will write these numbers in this column. Okay. We have to subtract this number from this. So which number will come first? See, we have to subtract this number from this. Okay. So this number we have to write first. This is the big number. So write this biggest number first. 71 crore 45 lakh 48,132 minus 26 crore 22 lakh 47,705. Okay. Now see here, carry out subtraction. Can we subtract 5 from 2? No. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 5. Then what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 from the neighboring digit. So this 3 is the neighboring digit. From 3, shift 1 here and here 3 minus 1, 2 tens will remain. Here these two we have to write. How many ones it became? 12. So 12 minus 5, 7. Now 2 minus 0, 2. Can we subtract 7 from 1? No. So again borrow 1 from 8. Here 7 will remain. Here 1 and this 1 will make 11. Now 11 minus 7, 4. 7 minus 7, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. Again, cannot subtract 6 from 1. So borrow 1 from 7. Here 11 it will become. Here 6. 11 minus 6, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. So in this way, by drawing columns, we can carry out addition and subtraction of big numbers. Big numbers means which are greater than 6-digit numbers, 7-digit. Okay, such numbers we can do. See students, now addition and subtraction together. When addition and subtraction together be given, then how to carry out that? For that one example is given. Simplify this plus this minus this number. Now while solving, what we have to do? As per the rule, we have to carry out this addition first, and from whatever from the addition whatever answer we will get, from that answer we will subtract this number. Okay, see here. So first I will add these two given numbers. Okay, 7 plus 7, 14. Carry 1. 6 plus 6, 12. Plus 1, 13. 3. Carry 1. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. Now whatever answer I got, from this answer I will subtract this number. So this answer write as it is here. Now from this number subtract this, that is 5. 1. Okay. Now see here, can we subtract 7 from 4? No. So borrow 1 from the neighboring digit. Here 2 will remain. 3 minus 1, 2. And that 1 we have to write here. And this 4 write here. It makes 14. Now 14 minus 7, 7. Okay. Now again we have to borrow 1 because we cannot subtract 3 from 2. So 1 we have to write here. Here 8 will remain. Okay. 12 minus 3, 9. Then again borrow from 6. Here 5 will remain. 18 minus 9, 9. Borrow here 3 will remain. 15 minus 8, 7. 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 2, 4. And 7 minus 5, 2. So in this way, when addition and subtraction together are given, we have to carry out addition, and then whatever answer we will get, from that we have to do subtraction. Now see here, addition had come first. So that operation we did first, and then whatever answer we got, from that we subtracted the last number. Okay. Now we will solve practice 3.1. In that, question number 1, add. I will solve A and D, and remaining you will have to solve as homework. See here they have already given the boxes, and you will also have to draw boxes. If they have given, then you will also have to draw, and you will have to carry out the addition. Now we will add 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 3, 4. And 4 plus 2, 6. In this way, we have to add. Now second. 18 crore, 15 lakh, 78,704 plus 13 crore, 79 lakh, 26,288. Okay, this we have to add. Now here 8 plus 4, 12. So write 2 and carry 1. Now 8 plus 0 is 8 plus 1 9. 7 plus 2 9. Then 8 plus 6 14. 4 carry 1. 2 plus 7 9 plus 1 10. 0 carry 1. 9 plus 5 14 plus 1 15. 5 carry 1. 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. 8 plus 3 11 carry 1. And 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. In this way we have to add the numbers if arranged in the columns. Follow? Now directly we will solve question number 3. Find the sum of the following. Now see, here total 3 numbers are there which we have to add. Now you can at a time add at a time you can add 3, or first 2 numbers add, find out the answer, and that answer you have to add with this. In this way also you can solve, or directly 3 numbers at a time you write, and that also we can do addition. So see here, first I will write the number and I will add first 2 numbers. Okay, follow? Add these 2 numbers. Now see, 9 plus 3 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 3 plus 1 4. 7 plus 1 8. 4 plus 2 6. 3 plus 3 6. 4 plus 3 7. 5 plus 3 8. 2 plus 1 3. Now addition of these 2 numbers gave this answer. With this answer I will add the other number. So answer write as it is and add this third number. Okay. Now see here, 6 plus 2 8. 2 plus 4 6. 0 plus 8 8. 1 plus 6 7. 6 plus 3 9. 7 plus 2 9. 8 plus 1 9. And 3 plus 3 6. So this is the answer. Now question number 4. Arrange the numbers in columns and add. Here they specifically they have mentioned that we have to draw columns and then we have to add the given numbers. See now here total how many numbers are there given? 1 2 3 4 numbers are given. So first work we will do, that is to arrange the columns. Okay. Now see, this is smaller and this one if you will see, this is how many digit number? 8 digit number. Okay, so this is the greatest number and that we have to arrange in columns. So we will start. See students, I have made the columns, and now we will write the numbers in the given column. First is 1024. So first number 1024 plus this. What is this number? 52,012. 52,012. Then next number is this 11,34,000. Here 11,34,107. Okay, and last number is 5,32,67,813. 5 crore. Okay, 32,67,813. Now see, we have arranged the numbers. Now we have to add. At a time we can add. See, now see, 7 plus 3 or 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Plus 4, 16. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 4, 11. Plus 2, 13. Plus 1, 14. That 14, 4 we will write here and 1 will have to carry. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Plus 1, 15. Carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. And this 5. So the answer is 5 crore 44 lakh 54,950. Now see, from question number 5, students, I am going to solve question from that A and B, first and last, and remaining you will have to do as a homework along with this 2. Okay, these 2 also you will have to solve. Now here we have to do subtraction, and already columns they have given. We have to just subtract the numbers. See here, 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 8 minus 3, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 3, 3. 7 minus 2, 5. Okay. This easy subtraction was an easy example. Now, next here. So, we have to subtract 9 from 3. It's not possible because 3 is smaller. So, cut that 3, write up and borrow 1 from tens place, from this 6. So, 6 minus, here 1 will shift here and 6 minus 1, 5 will remain here. Now, 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is, see, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is 4. Now, again, can we subtract 6 from 5? No, it's not possible. So, borrow 1 from neighboring digit, that is 8. So, 8 minus 1 is 7. Now, 15 minus 6. What answer will get? 15 minus 6 is 9. Then 7 minus 4. Yes, we can subtract. Answer is 3. Now, again see, 3 minus 5. It's not possible. Again borrow 1 from this one. These 3 we have to cancel and write up. So, here 1 minus 1, here 0 will remain. 13 minus 5, 8. So, again 9 we cannot subtract from 1. So, borrow 1 from 6. Here 5 will remain. 10 minus 9, 1. Again borrow. Here 8 will remain. 15 minus 8, 7. Now 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 3, 2, and 7 minus 2, 5. So this is the answer. Now directly we will solve question number 9, that is simplify the following. Okay. See here, in this 2 operations are there. So what we will do? First we will do subtraction, and then whatever answer we will get, in that we will add this number. Alright. So I have written these 2 numbers and now we will subtract. we cannot subtract 4 from 0, so borrow 1 from 9. Here 10 will become, and here 8. 10 minus 4, 6. 8 minus 3, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. Again, borrow 1 from 3. Here 2 will remain, here 13. Now 13 minus 8, 13 minus 5, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. Now in this number we will add this. So 215, 18, 156 plus this number. See a bit. We'll write it properly. Okay. See, this is 8-digit number and this is 9-digit number. So 6 plus 5, 11, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 2, 4. And this is 1. So in this way we have to solve. Now see question number 10. Check the following subtractions by addition. Okay. They have already, see here subtraction is there and they have already given the answer. Now what we have to see, we have to check whether the subtraction is correct or not. By addition we have to see. Then what to do in that case, we have to add, see these two numbers. And after adding, if we will get the addition as this number, that is first number, then our answer is correct. Means whatever they have given the answer, that is correct. So what you have to do, you have to take these two numbers and you will have to add them. Okay. Plus 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4. Now add them. Now see 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 2, 6, 3. Now compare this number. Is it correct? Are they same? Yes. So this shows that this subtraction, whatever answer we have got, that is correct. Now question number 11, fill in the missing digits. Here first addition is there, correct? So these two numbers addition gives answer, correct? Now see here 5 is there. So you will have to ask question to yourself. After adding which number with 2 we will get 5? Means what number plus 2 is equal to 5? See here 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So here which number should be there? 3. Now here answer should come 7. So in 5 which number we have to add to get 7? That is, or you can do this 5 plus 2, 7. So here 2 must be there. Now 4 plus 3, what will come here? 7. Okay. To get answer as 9, which number we have to add in 5? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what number we have to add in 5? 4. Now 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. Now to get answer 8, which number we have to add in 2? See here. So you can do subtraction also. 8 minus 2 is 6. So if we add 6 in 2, we will get the answer 8 only. What did I do? I just subtracted this 2 from 8. Now 5 plus 2, 7. So these are the required digits, okay, or missing numbers. Now here subtraction is there. Now 6 minus 5, 1 will be there. 3 minus 1, 2 will be there. Now see, we have to subtract 4 from such a number which will get the answer as 2. Okay. Now what number minus 4 is equal to 2? So see, for that what you will do? We will add these two numbers. 4, here we have to do subtract. Here I did subtraction, no, to get this answer. But here what I will do? I will add this 2. Now see, 4 plus 2, what is there? 6. And now see, 6 minus 4 gives answer 2. Here see, 9 minus what is equal to 4? So what we have to do now? 9 minus 4 you will have to do. Subtract this number. So you will get the answer 5. So if you will subtract 5 from 9, you will get the answer 4. What did I do? I just subtracted this number from this to get this digit. Next, 7 minus 5, 2. Now see here, what number minus 2 gives answer 6? Now this place number we have to find out. Okay. So for that what you have to do? Add these two. 6 plus 2 what? 8. When this number, upper number we have to find out, that time what we have to do? That time we have to add these two numbers. Okay. And when this number we have to find out, what we have to do? We have to subtract these two numbers. Followed? Now see here, 6 plus 2 is 8. So here 8 will come. Now here this number we have to find out, no, middle number. So what we will do? We will subtract these two numbers. 8 minus 3, 5. In this way we will find out the missing numbers. Followed?